Sorry about that. So you should have said your negative 3.97621 ... That one's the smallest, and then negative 2.5 was the next smallest. I want you to try and do these two. Try and do these two. Welcome back. The square root of 18. Well, if this is 4.2426, the 4's are the same, but look, 5 is bigger than 2. For this one, we should have said this is negative 3.1415, so on and so forth. Negative 3.11111, so on and so forth. Square root of 10 is 3.1622 ... And that is going to just have a negative in front of it. Then we have negative 3.1. I'm going to write it just so I don't forget about it like on the first one. And then 10, negative 10 divided by 3. It's negative 3.3 repeating. Well, 3. Okay? So now that we have those into decimals, think about a number line. And we should have put those in order. And we should have gone with, they all have that 3. So we're going to be looking at the decimal. I have 1s and I have a 3. Well, the nice thing is that means that this one is the smallest. Then when we are looking at the following one, all of these have 1. So here's where it gets dicey. Okay, remember with negative, it's the opposite way. So with this one, the biggest number is going to mean it's the smallest number. So this one, this negative square root of 10, this would be the next biggest. Then we have the negative pi. Then we should have had the negative 3.1 repeating. And last but not least, negative 3.1. I know it's a whole hoopla. All right, looking at this, remember how last class we did our perfect squares and our perfect cubes? What two numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does the square root of 7 fall between? Which two numbers does the square root of 7 fall between?